Mustang trying to creep up on me. He's sitting behind me right now. I mean, he ain't a problem. There ain't nothing I can't handle, but I'm just saying. He falling back. He must know. Good boy. Shoot. Had to make a pit stop. Had to use it. We almost there, gang. About 30 minutes away. We'll be there. Use the bathroom. Grab a bite to eat. We'll be back on the road. Get back with y'all in a sec. Me and the wife. All her hair. It's all hers. It is all hers. No strings attached.
First walk in here smell like shit.
It stinks in here. That dirty mop water. Stinks of McDonald's. It stinks in here. She said it stinks in here. Kinda don't even want no McDonald's though. Go somewhere else. Further down. Further down. Yeah. All day just walk around and look at it. Everybody looking at me and stuff. They still don't know what it is when a person walking around with a phone. It'd be funny. I done got used to it now. It's easy to walk up, just walk around with this damn thing in my hand. McDonald's. Yeah, man, I don't really eat McDonald's. I had to use it though. I had to stop. All right, we're leaving out McDonald's. Well, I tell y'all, it's stinking there. I don't even know where the hell we at. You know where we at?
No.
But it smelt in there. Like, whatever the hell they mopping with the floor, guys, please don't use that shit no more. That shit stink. Baby's about to throw up, wasn't you, babe?
Oh, I was about to throw up.
Oh.
I had my hand over my nose the whole time.
And that's a big nose, as y'all can see.
Bro. Screw you.
Yeah. Y'all see it. Y'all see that flag up there? Y'all can't do nothing but notice it. Looking good up there, ain't it, though? But yeah, we about to jump back on the road, so be back with y'all in about 20-30 minutes.
Yeah.
I'll be there. You know I gotta push it on the dash. Peace. What's going on, y'all? We back, man. We almost there. We got 16 more miles, man. But we are in Chicago already. But it's all right over here. Beautiful sight. Stay tuned, man. Just stay tuned. Well, y'all patiently wait. Just stay tuned. I told y'all I'm going to get the footage for y'all. Don't worry about it. Y'all just sit comfortable. I'm going to get the footage. Make sure y'all keep liking and subscribing, man. I really appreciate everybody that been giving me feedback, positive feedback. You know, I'm just loving it, man. I'm feeling real blessed and thankful.
These tolls are no joke. They want money to get in. Cash or credit right here. Behind the blue Focus.
Yeah, but then your way right there. Going straight on in. We always gotta keep paying to get these goddamn toes. Who the hell put these goddamn toes here? I mean, I don't even get the purpose of them. Free money?
Basically.
It ain't like they search your damn car or nothing like that. So, I mean, what's the goddamn purpose of them? Just shit out of here. Hold me up. Shit. About 30 minutes. 30 minutes.
30 more minutes.
I said that like 2 videos ago, didn't I, y'all? But I don't know. Some weird shit happened when we crossed over into Indiana. The weirdest shit happened. The clock said 2:45. That motherfucker jumped back to 2 o'clock, like on some weird ass shit. Like I don't know. Like ain't they time the same as ours? Like I gotta Google that. Like
Right.
But my radio was messing up earlier till we stopped at McDonald's, and you know, I cut the car off and stuff, and it reset it. So I don't know, man. I don't know. I ain't never had that issue with the radio, but it wasn't playing no music. Everything else was functional. No music was coming through. But I let it reset. Shit, everything now. But if it do it again, you know, I'm taking it straight to the dealer.
Straight.
Can't be riding with no sounds. I mean, right now I can, but not by myself. Screw that. You know how boring it is just driving by yourself? No radio, no nothing.
You just
And
looking
then-
at the cars.
Yeah, and then, you know, don't nobody want to answer their phone for you, so you just sit
Not
there
at
just
all.
like, dang. You know, it's cool when you're going a short distance, but can you imagine going an hour, 2 hours away? Just in here, just thinking.
Just thinking.
Just talking to your damn self. Sounding crazy as hell. Getting mad at people.
You want to ask him? That's gonna be funny.
Ask him what?
Why we gotta pay all the time?
Like 260.
260. 1, 2, 3. 260.
Thank you much. Have a nice day.
Oh, you had an exact change in your hand. Alrighty.
Take care.
We out. I ain't gonna lie, this is a fun ass car, y'all. Maybe because you had it all week. Shout out to my subscriber that seen it at the mall and let me know where she was located. That was real. You know what I'm saying? That's how we do it. And that's a team right there. That's a team.
No.
She told me she was at home. And then my peoples, you know what I'm saying? That's what I'm talking about. We work together. My peoples hit me up like, yeah, I just seen your car. I say, straight up, where you see it at? You know? He told me everything. I said, oh, all right. Dang, that's how you do me, huh?
Boy. Welcome to Chicago. I couldn't get it, but hey.
All right, guys, we made it. We here. We pulling in. Finally. Y'all see it. Can y'all see it? They taxing on the parking. 20? Just to park? I should park on the street with everybody else. They gonna have to about that. No, I'm straight up. Cause I'd be mad as hell. I come back out and the whole back end gone. You know what I'm saying? Nope. What's going on, everybody? Now we have arrived. This the time y'all been waiting for. So we headed on in and we about to get that footage, bring it to y'all. So stay tuned. Let's get it.
Sorry about that.
What'd you call it?
He said charger.
He called it a charger.
Yeah.
It's a challenger, my dog. Oh my lord. People are rude, man. They rude. You know, I'm telling y'all, man, they calling my car a charger. They rude out here, man. Dang. But get back with y'all on the next one. It's the end of this video. This one was just basically our ride here. Next one be the show. So stay tuned. Peace, everybody.